everyone. Aloha. We're so happy to have you. It's getting hot outside, isn't it? And so what better place to spend a Texas hot summer day than Hawaiian Falls Water Park? And we're here in beautiful Waco, Texas. But before we start, I do have to say we have to give you the proper Hawaiian welcome. So we've invited our Polynesian princess here to give you the proper Hawaiian Falls welcome.
Oh, what a warm welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. The Texas hospitality is rich right here at Hawaiian Falls. But you know, I've always wanted to go to Hawaii, but I didn't have to go very far to get a little taste of it here at Hawaiian Falls.
Yes, you don't have to buy that plane fare or take that long plane ride. You can just hop in your car, bring the family to your neighborhood Hawaiian Falls Water Park.
So just how big is Hawaiian Falls here in Waco?
We sit on about 4 acres here in Waco, but all of our parks that we have in Texas kind of vary in shapes and sizes.
Okay.
The beautiful thing about them is that they have attractions for everybody.
Absolutely.
As you can bring the entire family and have a wonderful day. We have 0 depth entry pools, kids splash areas, the big bucket drops that dump water on their head about every 10 seconds.
So much fun.
A lot of water play features, just places for them to get wet. It's got this amazing mat racer. It's a 6-lane racer, high thrill, high speed, high intensity. But the great thing about this ride is you end up with a cool splash at the end of it.
Love it.
And then of course, just a number of really fun tube slides that take you on a little bit of an adventure. Everything we do is designed to cool you off. Absolutely. But every once in a while, we like to throw a little thrill into it as well.
My last question is, where do we start?
Let's start with some attractions.
Okay.
Let's just go ahead and hop in that cold water.
It's hot, it's sweaty, and the water's calling my name. Let's go. Okay, so my pro tip for water parks is to wet your feet before walking on the concrete. Check out this view. Hi. All right, here we go.
Okay, so the way you ride this ride is you put your hands on the handle.
Okay.
And then whenever I say go, you just push yourself up.
Launch it. Okay. All right, let's do that again. These always go super fast. The speed cranked up. Water slide! 1, 2, 3, YOLO!
2 of our most popular attractions, the lazy river. So you can just hop in a tube, float casually around the pool, get wet, stay cool and refreshed, and not really have to do anything because the current of the water takes you.
I'm here for it.
Or if you just want slightly, a little bit more experience, our wave pool. People like to come camp out at the wave pool. As you said earlier, you don't have to go to Hawaii. We can give you the ocean right here with our amazing wave pool.
See, they're doing it right. Bring the kiddos out, enjoy it. You know better. See all the nice cabanas? We'll grab one of those while we grab some food. I did come hungry and I did work up a little bit of an appetite. So.
I noticed that you did. I noticed that you did. So, you know, here at Hawaiian Falls, food has to fall into one category. It has to be super savory, super sweet, or super refreshing. We have our delicious mini melt, which is a cotton candy flavor. On the savory side, we've got just some of our classic items for you. Our world famous double patty Hawaiian Falls cheeseburger.
Okay.
A classic take on an American hot dog. And of course, you know, you can't go wrong with chicken poppers.
Yeah. Well, no one likes to eat alone, so there's plenty to share. You could have some.
Absolutely.
But let's talk also about these beverages.
Last year, we partnered with our friends at HTO, providing world-famous flavored teas, everything from raspberry, pineapple, watermelon flavored teas. On a hot summer day, our slushies, they make everything go down a little easier. And these are slushies that mom and dad and the kids can all enjoy as well. And then for mom and dad, if you want an adult refreshment later in the day, we actually serve pina coladas, margaritas, and craft brews. It's sweet, savory, refreshing. You can't go wrong with those combinations at all.
Does it get any better? So cheers to you. Cheers to Hawaiian Falls. Aloha.
Aloha and mahalo.
Mahalo.